In this way, the raw material is supplied by the subtle body from within. It is manufactured in the form of goods or the external things, and that is supplied again to the system of our muscular action or the nervous action through mind, body and speech. So in this way we can understand the natural phenomena, the effect of fascia on our action. Now let us retrogress or go reverse. The fascia is such a phenomena which can also have an impact from the outside. This is the point where lies the secret of the meditation of psychic colors. When we say you perceive psychic colors, the perception of psychic colors, which are not otherwise possible to even visualize, what we mean is we want to have the effect on the mechanism of psychic colors taking place inside a deeper level of our consciousness, and there we want to intervene. There comes the point where we can intervene and we can produce the necessary effects, the beneficial effects, and change the total course of our action. So you should try to understand now that why we are going to practice the perception of psychic colors. Before we enter into the actual explanation, let us understand again the phenomena of fascia, which is divided into two parts. One is benevolent fascia, which is called as Shubha fascia. The other is called malevolent fascia, which is Ashubha fascia. That is to say, auspicious and inauspicious. Auspicious, which is really beneficial to ourself. Inauspicious, which is harmful and vicious for ourselves. These are two categories of fascia in nature. In nature, these two categories are there. Now, because of the impact of internal karmic force, the self selects or chooses that category from the external world, the particles of fascia existing there or the radiations of the fascia existing there, they are attracted because of the inner impact of the karma. If the karma coming from within are auspicious, then there will be a beneficial effect. If from within comes the karma which are inauspicious, harmful, then the attraction of inauspicious particles of fascia will take place. Now we have to understand how can we intervene at that point. That how from external effect we can change the process at this level, at the level of attraction of psychic colors, and the effect of psychic colors on another very important phenomena associated with our body, which is the oral phenomena. You may be knowing about aura. Now we are discussing something which is graspable even by the scientific instruments. The aura is an existence of color envelope encircling our body. The whole body is encircled by a color envelope. The existence of aura is beyond doubt. The explanation of aura is not sufficient today in the world of science, but in the world of philosophy it is believed that the aura is actually the mixture of two kinds of radiations. One is the radiations of our vital energy, the flow of our vital energy. The second is the electromagnetic radiations flowing out from our body to the atmosphere. Both these together, they create an aura. An aura is actually the reflection of our personality. Aura itself is not so gross. We can't see aura with the eyes. But nowadays, with the help of Kirlian photography, the aura can be photographed, and on the basis of photograph, we can know the colors of the aura. And then the people who know which color corresponds to which kind of psychic activity or the psychic quality, the emotion or the feeling or the nature in our psyche. Say for example, a particular kind of blue color may correspond to the spiritual element in our personality. That is the spiritual quality of ourself, and so on. So that is another thing, but what we want to understand here is the effect of aura and effect of lesha on our emotions. The aura is in external world and lesha is in the inner world. Lesha has a direct impact on aura, and if the aura is made powerful enough, we can have the effect of aura on lesha also. This is the point where comes the utility of the perception of psychic colors. What we do actually in our technique of perception of psychic colors is to visualize certain color, and that visualization of the color has an impact on our aura, because that association of color is associated with the electromagnetic radiation which emanates from our body on aura, and also pranadhara, that is the bioenergy flow which comes from the body, that also has the impact of aura. Both of these together has the impact on aura. So by visualization of the desired color, the desirable color, what we can do is we can change our aura because of the effect of our color which we visualize and the pranadhara that is associated with the visualization of the color. If this is beneficial, that what can be done? It will result in turning the aura into a beneficial effect or force. If this aura becomes beneficial, then it will have an impact on the inner world of lesha, where the liaison between the self and the external world of lesha is taking place. If this aura is effective, then automatically there will be the import of beneficial psychic colors from the world of lesha by the self or the chitta, and it will again affect our conscious mind through the interplay of emotional flow, endocrine system and nervous system. You can understand now how we can practice the perception of psychic color, through which we visualize first the beneficial colors, then the impact of beneficial colors on our aura, then the impact of aura on the process of psychic colors, and then that is the attraction of psychic color from the external world, and in this way the whole thing is changed. If in natural process there was going to be the impact of karma on our Lesia phenomena, if we would not have any interaction there, intervention there, then by natural process the inauspicious waves energy coming from within, from Kashaya realm and from the realm of Adhyavasaya, they would have effect that the chitta, the psyche in that factor, and association or attraction of malevolent colors from the external world would have taken place. Now we go the other way around, because now the aura has been effective beneficially on these phenomena that is taking in of psychic color radiations. It has a say there. It is intervening and it asks the chitta not to take the inauspicious color, not to import this kind of stuff, but to import the benevolent color radiations, Lesia, from the external world, that is affected, that is actually executed. The chitta now attracts benevolent colors from the external world of Lesia. Again, it has the impact on the aura in the form of benevolent radiations. The aura has again effect on our emotional flow, and emotional flow has the impact on our endocrine system, on our action of mind, speech and body, and that is how in the external world we behave mentally, vocally and physically, influenced by our benevolent inner psychic colors. Our behavior improves. Where there was going to be anger because of the malevolent radiations of Lesia, now there is the behavior of forgiveness, of tolerance in the external world, mentally, physically and vocally, and we find that we are saved from the bad effects, evil effects of our own karma. So this is in short how the working of Lesia is done and how we can intervene. This is called as Purusharth.